Hello there, I am Chris M. Jayachandran. I am also India's first neurobranding consultant and trainer. You may be a student currently pursuing your MBA. You may be an MBA graduate. You may be an entrepreneur. You may be none of these, but still contemplating on starting your own business venture. Before barging into your business idea, you need to be very clear with the basic understanding of marketing, sales, business development, and branding. In this quick video, we're going to see the differences among all these. The first one, marketing. The core idea behind marketing is to create demand for your product and services. The focus areas of marketing should be understanding the various markets where you could churn out the demand for your product or services, the product positioning, it could be service positioning as well, and deciding the right messaging to attract the right audience for your product and services. Marketing has the following important functions in its scope: research, segmentation, advertising, the right content, and pricing strategy. Marketing is believed to have medium to long range focus. One particular use case to understand marketing in a very clear way would be about the scooter that was introduced by a particular two-wheeler company with support wheels. This made many female members to reduce the dependence on other members of the family, especially male members, to learn riding a scooter. Once they would perfectly learn, they could easily remove the support wheels. In order to create demand for this particular model of the scooters, the company would have invested into research, segmenting whether it would be college going female members that would prefer, or working women, or even housewives. After having manufactured this particular model of scooters with support wheels, the particular company would have spent real energy in understanding how they can create content or advertisements that would attract the target audience. What would be the messaging? And also the price variance of such scooters. So this is about marketing very quickly. Let us now understand what sales is. It is generally said that sales starts from where marketing stops. In other words, marketing focuses on creating demand for products and services, whereas sales convert such demand into revenue generation for the particular company. Sales is having one-on-one interaction with the clients. Sales also involves negotiations, creating contracts or even SLAs, and actually transferring the services or products from the company or the manufacturer or the creator to the end user, to the buyer. The focus of sales is short term. Moving back to the same use case of a scooter with support wheels, how do I demonstrate this particular scooter to the right audience? How do I make them buy this particular model of scooters? Selling of those scooters would involve negotiations. Now let us understand what business development is all about. When it comes to sales, it is about transactions, it is about closures. But when it comes to business development, it is about creating opportunities so that the company's product and services can have wider adoption and acceptance. How do we do that? It is by getting into alliances or forging partnership with other players. Sometimes it would be actually creating a strategic relationship with other people in the market so that I can contemplate on entering into new market that is yet untapped. The important functions of business development would be to create joint ventures, alliances, strategic relationship, and also partnerships. Now let us understand what branding is Very simply, branding refers to all those activities with which I would shape the perception and identity of my company, of my product, of my services. Branding could also be this: what the company means to people. For example, Tata brand. We know that Tata offers several products and services, and people attach a lot of emotional loyalty and respect for Tata brand. So Tata is a well perceived and identified brand where people can trust blindly any products and services offered by Tata. So the perception and identity has been created repeatedly by producing product and services that are consistent with what people expect. Some of the important functions that we should take care of in branding would be visual identity, the tone, the value, reputation, and the kind of emotional connect the product or services create, just as much as what Tata does. So it is quite imperative on our part to take our product and services to the hearts and minds of present and future buyers so that they would actually trust our brand. The core of neuro branding lies in creating such a brand. The strategies and techniques that could be used by any product manufacturer, any dealer, or any service provider. That is what the essence of neuro branding would be. Well, friends, in this brief video, we have understood the basics of marketing, sales, business development, and branding. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, give a like, and share this content with your friends. Please press the bell notification so that you will be getting the notification instantly whenever a new video is released.